Automatically comment on over 10,000 Facebook groups in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto-comment on Facebook groups in 2026 using MKT Care. With this tool, you can automatically comment on hundreds of group posts, boost engagement, and promote your products, all on autopilot. First, select the comment feature in the MKT Care software. At this step, you just need to copy the UIDs of all the Facebook groups you want to comment on and paste them into the software. The tool will automatically recognize and manage the group list. Especially, MKT Care supports joining groups before commenting. This helps ensure your accounts meet group requirements, avoid comment errors, and make the seeding process smoother and more natural. Next, we will prepare the comment content. You can create multiple comment templates, add emojis, hashtags, or use spin content to avoid duplication. This approach makes the comments look natural, like real users, and helps reduce the risk of being flagged as spam by Facebook. Next, you configure the campaign, select the Facebook accounts to run, set the number of comments per account, add delays between comments to make the behavior more natural. Once everything is ready, just click Start, and the software will automatically log in and comment on new posts in the groups. As you can see, the comments are posted directly in the Facebook groups, fast and accurate. The entire process is fully automated, with no manual actions required. Finally, you can export the comment history in MKT Care. This feature allows you to review all completed comments, track performance, and easily manage or reuse data for future campaigns. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch more automated marketing tutorials.